लँड ग्रॅब केसींतलो गुन्यांवकारी सुलेमान खान उर्फ सिद्दीकीक एसआयटीन 12 नोव्हेंबर 2024 अटक केल्ली. उपरांत ताका क्रायम ब्रांचीचे लॉकअपांत घातिल्लो. मात 13 डिसेंबर 2024 एका पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबलाच्या मजतीन सुलेमानान लॉकअपांतल्यान पळ काडिल्लो. वट्ट 10 दिसांनी म्हळ्यार 23 डिसेंबर 2024 पुलिशेन सुलेमानाक केरळात परत अटक केल्ली.
Siddiqui alias Suleiman Khan is accused in several land grabbing cases, but he came under huge controversy for his act of escaping from the crime branch lockup with the help of that cop who was on duty to guard him. Later he was arrested from Kerala and the Old Goa police had charge sheeted him in this case. But Siddiqui has now approached the High Court pleading to transfer the investigation from Old Goa police to the CBI. In this petition, Siddiqui claimed that he did not escape from the crime branch lockup, but he was made to escape in this case. Hence, to have the investigation fairly, this case should be transferred from Old Goa police to CBI. But the High Court, after hearing this matter on Tuesday, did not find merit in his prayers. Hence, his petition is dismissed. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.